When working with Laravel's Query Builder, it is important to understand the various methods that are available to you for interacting with databases. One such method that I honestly haven't really used in my career but is available is the insertGetId, which allows you to insert a new record into the table and retrieve its ID in a single query. Let's get rid of the upsert method that we have. Now let's chain the insertGetId method, which accepts an array where we need to add key value pairs that we want to insert. So let's say that the user underscore ID is equal to 1. The title is insertGetId, which is the same as the slug. We have an excerpt of excerpt, a description of description. We have a is published of true, and we have the minutes to read, which is equal to 2. Now this code right here will first insert a new record into the post table, and then it will set the variable posts that we have defined right at the top, right here, equal to the newly created ID. Behind the scenes, I have refreshed the browser, where in Ray, you can see that it has returned back with a primary key of 1014.